Morning guys, another beautiful day today. So I'm not going to show my face this morning because I am hot and sweaty already. Next couple of days is going to be pretty hot during the hot part of the day. But I got checking my elevations last night and I knew they were pretty wonky. But from this corner here, I think this is the lowest corner, then you can almost see it that it slopes uphill there to that where that wall used to be. Not sure why they did that. They did it on both sides. I found this original oak sill plate that they have on there is really warped as well. And I got to thinking about if I tear all that wall down, which I should probably have thought of this sooner, I'm probably going to have to header across from that window all the way across those doors. There's an old doorway they closed up, and then that new one, and then that window. So I'm probably going to have to header across all that since that's going to be the load-bearing one. This one's not load-bearing, so I'm not as worried about that. And I'm going to build another interior wall to support that. But I'm just going to show you. So I ended up tearing this whole little wall down last night, and this morning it was about a foot tall, but it was really wonky, so I think it's going to be best if I rebuild it. Oh yeah, since I'm not showing my face since I'm sweaty, you know what I'm thankful for today? Cookies! Why not? Chocolate chip are my favorite. So if you guys want to airdrop me some cookies, you can send them right about here. I'll see if I can catch them. Alright guys, well what a beautiful pleasant evening. It's still pretty warm out, but the sun has gone down, and so it's a lot better. So what I was going to tell you about that I'm working on, you might be able to guess by this. So I got some anchor bolts here. They're 1/2 inch by 6 inch I believe, but I got some bags of high strength concrete and doing a little bit of mixing here. Any guesses? Well, if you remember any of my previous stories, I was taking those sill plates off here, those old oak ones. Man, those things are twisted and bowed. But now, I'm setting some new anchor bolts. So, kind of doing them about every 3 or 4 feet, depends how it works out with layout and stuff. So, the old ones, they have some in here in a few random places, but they all just turn. I think they're just regular bolts or something, unless it's all broken under the concrete. But yeah, they all turn, most of them. There's a few that the nuts came off, but most of them didn't. So I'm going down through and adding a bunch on here. I think I'm going to do about 30 total. And that should really help, I think, to get these all stiffened up and fastened in there. So, yeah, that's what they look like. Anyway, I'm not going to show myself tonight, guys, because I am a sweaty mess from all this mixing and stuff. But I did want to wish you guys a good night, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Talk to you later, guys.